In today's news, rich, you are already rich. What I mean by this is that this year, 2024, is poised to be a landmark year for virtual assets, therefore cryptocurrencies, assets therefore like XRP. And one of the main reasons why is because declining interest rates bring liquidity back to risk on assets, which is a huge benefit for the crypto market. Remember, right now we have the ongoing Fed money printing, the FTX redistribution, both of which will massively help the liquidity into this market, and the M2 money supply is constantly hitting new all-time highs. There has honestly never been so much money, liquidity in the market, and with declining interest rates following the Fed's 50 basis point cut, which there will be many more in the following year or two, we would definitely see a massive surge in the crypto market. Ultimately, right now, you are very early, and there are numerous research papers and articles and documents by institutions confirming that this is your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to capitalize on the Great Reset. Following the rate cuts, we will now see the start of the Great Reset. The World Economic Forum confirms here Great Reset with blockchain technology. This 2022 report right here confirms the Great Switch, where banks are transitioning to a blockchain-based infrastructure, which basically confirms that major companies are now ready. They have known of the Great Reset and have been preparing for years now. And then you have the biggest confirmation of them all. Blackrock themselves, the world's largest asset manager, right here, confirming that this is a generational opportunity, the incoming yield reset, the incoming reset. This is the language that is used evidently by all the institutions, the unfiltered perspective of smart money. What they're talking about in confidential publications reveals the way major institutional players are currently actively capitalizing on the opportunities the market is currently presenting. This is a very big deal, proof that crypto is going to take off. There's no doubt about it in my mind. The fact that CEO of Blackrock, Larry Fink, has time and time again repeatedly stated in interviews on mainstream media platforms like CNBC here that Bitcoin is the next big thing, game changing. Listen very closely.
So you obviously must believe that this maybe is an alternative. Is this an alternative in order to be able, because of a deficit, maybe something long-term people should have?
Absolutely. As you know, I was a skeptic.
Yes.
I was a proud skeptic.
Right.
And I studied it, learned about it, and I came away saying, okay, my opinion 5 years ago was wrong. Here's my opinion today. This is what I believe in today. I believe the opportunity today. I believe Bitcoin is legitimate. I'm not trying to say there's not misuses like everything else, but it is a legitimate financial instrument that allows you to have maybe uncorrelated, non-correlated type of returns. I believe it is an instrument that you invest in when you're more frightened, though. It is an instrument when you believe that countries are debasing their currency, debasing their currency by excess deficits. I look at it as digital gold, as I said before, and I believe there's a great industrial use for it. And I think a lot of people are missing that.
Or better still, the fact that now BlackRock have created a 9-page long white paper explaining why Bitcoin and therefore crypto is important. It's a testament to this ongoing shift in our monetary policy. But that's where they are keeping their cards close to their chest, in my personal opinion. Not financial advice, of course, but crypto and blockchain's innovation will most definitely save the financial system. That is what they've been talking about for years in all these papers. But BlackRock know that it's assets with real value. They're the biggest institution, of course they know this. Assets therefore like XRP that will make all the difference. Bitcoin is a Trojan horse to what XRP will achieve for our system. This research paper here confirms that the most elegant end state of our solutions, Ripple, Interledger protocols, and XRP work seamlessly together. What is important, and BlackRock will have definitely taken note of this, is that Ripple is now seeing a lot of interest from banks in XRP, as we can see right here, which they will easily access through the Interledger protocol. And this article here, published this month, this year, September 2024, confirms that Interledger expands to enable cross-border payments in 130 countries. There are 195 countries worldwide, so with a larger majority now having Interledger protocol to now facilitate cross-border transactions in more than half of the global payment systems is a very big deal. Therefore, XRP's influence is almost completely worldwide. The reason why is because right now, XRP, as we can see, is the primary currency for the Interledger system. With the XRP ledger, of course, with the Amazon Web Service cloud as well, not to mention also the connection is now worldwide, all over the place, with 130 countries, including the United States, of course, France, Hong Kong, you name it. All over the world, XRP's expansion, its growth, its web is everywhere. This is the Great Reset Blackrock and the rest of these institutions have been talking about, and this shift in the monetary system, this reset, is happening because of Ripple and because of XRP. And this is why I am so bullish on assets like XRP. And with the Great Reset confirmed by these institutions, the first rate cuts now out of the way, crypto is gearing up for the most explosive bull run ever, which is why recently I created a free to join Discord server where 330 of us right now are working to achieve financial freedom. We are all growing so much every day, learning so much more every day, so by all means, come and be part of the family. Link to join will be in the description below. But now in continuation with some more bullish news for XRP, the Grayscale Trust, the first US XRP trust, is now live, is now available to eligible accredited investors seeking exposure to XRP. This right here is the start of XRP's mass adoption. As documented right here, Grayscale's XRP Trust paves the way for an XRP ETF as it gives the XRP Trust special significance. That is a very, very big deal. And what this major development effectively means is that Ripple's 3-year-long legal battle against the SEC is now close to an end. A settlement deal is just around the corner. And the fact that the SEC continues right now to get ridiculed from Congress time and time again is a testament to their demise, the failure in their job role to protect investors, and the time for Ripple and XRP to be the only crypto asset in history with legal regulatory clarity. Therefore, greenlighting mass adoption of XRP from institutional investors, which we've already seen right here, it is already starting. And in less than 1 week from now, we're going to see Gary Gensler and all 5 SEC commissioners testify in front of Congress to continue in their apologies for how they have handled this whole regulatory practice. And I still strongly believe that this will correlate to a price rise with XRP, and we can hear the level of frustration from Congress right now, how they are feeling with the SEC. In this video here, the SEC has a pattern of using made up terms like crypto asset securities to mislead judges, and finally it's catching up to them. They're about to get ridiculed. XRP is about to soar to the moon. Take a close listen.
The SEC has a pattern of using the term, quote, digital asset security. Mr. Gallagher, does the term digital asset security appear anywhere in any statute enacted by Congress?
Thanks for the question, Congressman. Not that I know of,
Okay.
not until you enact legislation.
Okay. Does the term digital asset security appear anywhere in any rule promulgated by the SEC?
No, sir.
Does the term digital asset security appear in any precedent by the Supreme Court?
Not that I know of.
Okay. Does the term digital asset security appear anywhere in the 2 million pages of the Federal Register?
Not that I know of, unless the special purpose broker-dealer no action letter was in the Federal Register, but I don't think it was.
So if it appears nowhere, neither in rule nor statute, did the SEC invent the term out of thin air?
They certainly created it. I don't know if it came
In
out of
fact,
thin air.
in a recent court filing, the SEC apologized for using the term
Correct.
digital asset security because it's misleading.
Gary Gensler's dismissal will be welcoming news to everyone, I am sure, and US Congressman Tom Emmer states in this interview that he looks forward to the day Gary Gensler is fired.
Look forward to working with Donald Trump and pounding a stake into the heart of the administrative state. And that is one of the prime examples, Gary Gensler at the SEC, and he should be fired. He is not, he's gone well beyond, frankly, he's gone against his mission.
Yeah.
The mission of the SEC is to make sure that every American, doesn't matter if you're wealthy or if you're poor, has access to the greatest financial markets on the planet.
With the XRP Grayscale Trust launch and ETF soon to come, the lawsuit conclusion on the doorstep, and the imminent launch of the RLUSD stablecoin, we will see adoption like never before with XRP. So this actually may now be your last chance to buy cheap XRP. So do your own research, come chill, chat, and learn so much more on the free Discord server. Again, the links below. But remember, don't in the short term, think long term. And I'll see you in the next one.